Hello everybody, how are you? I love you. Today we're going to be doing something really fun and really exciting. We are going to be unboxing the kitchen for the touring van. This is a box and it is glorious, and in this box is our camping kitchen, which will give us running water and a place to prepare awesome food and have a really great time. So this kitchen is actually a fish cutting table, and let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's in here. What's in this box? Beautiful table. And whoa! Box of stuff. A hose. And a bag of stuff. Gorgeous. This is the back side of it, and these are the legs. Okay, let's pick this up, see what we got here. Put the legs in place. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Here you can see the top of it. Here's the sink. Here's where the faucet goes. The drain here. This, I believe, is about 40 inches long, maybe a little less. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the surface here is like a ruler. And as I mentioned, this was a fish cutting table. And these are the inches for your fish. So you know, so no fish stories, because here's the proof right here. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be so perfect. And I can't wait to see the rest of it. So let's put it together. Okay, so here are the items that came in the box. Let's open it and see what's going on here. The scissors go in here. We've got more stuff. Oh. The first thing I pulled out, oh my gosh, it is the gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous faucet. We've got some instructions here. It's always helpful. Oh, look at this. This is a sprayer gun. And here's a bag of all kinds of goodies. Oh my gosh. So many nuts and bolts. And then, of course, this is the drain pipe. And it bends. And it also, look. That's cool. I could put that in a recording or something. That's that sound. So there we go. Those are the items. It's a glorious nuts and bolts. Here's a drain. Well, looks like we have some work cut out, but this is going to be fun. It's going to be great to put this together, and I can hardly wait to see how it's going to work. Ta-da! Here it is, the beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Here's a closer look at those inches if you couldn't see it before. But I did get all of these parts together. It's very easy. The drain was just a few pieces. This went in very, very easily. There's a plug for the drain. Here's how it folds down right into the sink like that, so that it's flat. Right now this is on, so let me turn that off. And the water source down below is kind of a custom-made thing that I did. Here's the drain pipe that I made in that shape that drain pipes are made, and this is a green tank that's going to be the gray water, I guess, the drain water. And this is just a bucket of water. I could use this again, another green container just like it, to be the fresh water too if I want. Excuse me. In the water right now is a camping shower pump. And that is battery powered, and that is over here, and you start that by pushing this button. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try pushing this button and seeing if all of this works, because I did custom make it to this pump. Let me turn this on. Let me turn this on. Ah! It's not working. My pump idea is not working. All right, let me take a time out here and reconfigure, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm not completely sure what was going on there, but I did figure it out, I think. I readjusted this hose. It's possible that the angle of the hose, there wasn't enough pressure in the pump or something. But anyway, let's try this again. We're gonna push this button. And, hey! Oh my gosh, everybody. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Running water down the drain from there. And we have beautiful running water. Let me turn this off there. Well, that is just gorgeous and amazing. And, you know, I read this quote saying that all a person needs is a horse, a cart, and running water. And that might be true. And I also learned that having running water really isn't anything unless you have a drain. I'm not sure which is more important. The drain might be more important than water. I don't know. Anyway, I am absolutely thrilled. This is going to fit right in the van. I'm just going to make some more adjustments in terms of usability. You know, probably won't be using the bucket, have open water like that. So I would also like to say here very much that this would not have been possible without a donation from one of my patrons. And I usually do not name the patrons. It's usually anonymous, but if that person would like to identify themselves in the comments, that's perfectly fine. I am absolutely thrilled. This is going to be such a huge, huge help and advancement. Be able to prepare food comfortably and cleanly. You really don't know how good something is until you don't have it. So if you've ever gone camping without running water or without a place to prepare it, then you know what I mean. So this is just a huge relief and a huge advantage. And I thank everyone so much, and I thank the patron so, so much. So there we have it, the camping kitchen, plenty of space to make a delicious meal, running water, place to wash the dishes, and a place for the gray water, and a place for the fresh water, and a little pump that is rechargeable by USB actually too. So that makes it even better. So thank you so much, everybody. This is just a wonderful advancement. I can't wait to show you in person. If you come to some of the music shows, or if you happen to see me in the van or around, it would be great to have you check it out and have some food with me too. So that is just wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a great day.